Now, Solana, Sol USD is actually holding a critical support level. So, are we going to see a bounce or are we going to see a breakdown towards the downside? And these are some levels I'm actually looking at for Solana in case if price goes lower. So, before I continue with the chart, do make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and also turn up the notification bell because I post everyday crypto update for you guys. I'm always here for you guys Monday to Friday, giving you guys a daily market analysis. Do make sure to like and subscribe. Now this is Sol USD on the daily time frame, and as you can see that we'll be having this little bit of consolidation in between this downsloping wedge, and we are yet to have a breakout. And what is price doing now? Price is just creating a double bottom on the chart, maintaining this support level. And what are we seeing on the RSI? We are kind of creating a lower high on the RSI, which indicates a bullish divergence, but the stochastic RSI is confirming that we might have another leg back to the downside. So you can see that the blue light just crossed the orange line, and it's like we'll be having another rejection to find support at this level. But in any which price goes, we are actually ready for the market. So for me, for Solana now, you will see that this was a bearish candlestick engulfing this previous day, and right now it's like we are trying to lose the support level. And if we lose the support level, the other support level that we'll be having for Sol is around $136. If we fail to see a bounce on this level, then we will have a lower high, then another rejection towards the downside, then $115 will be for Sol. I think we could actually see a range towards this level before a final continuation to the upside. So that is what I'm actually predicting for Sol, although we could actually see an impulsive move breaking above this downsloping wedge, then a little bit of a pullback, retesting it as support, then another final breakout. Then I'm not too looking forward for an upward movement, because I know that once BTC pulls back, definitely Solana Sol is going to pull back to the support levels that we are having here. So how can we catch this breakout in case Solana breaks out of this downsloping wedge? So there are two ways I'm actually looking to catch the breakout. The first of all is to see the high and the low of this candlestick, and the high is actually $240, then the low is actually at $154. And how can we mark out the breakout? Is just to draw from the top to the low of the price action, then take the line to the breakout of the down sloping wedge. As you can see that if eventually we did see a breakout, we are just going to go slightly above these highs at $247 for Solana, though that will actually be a 44% increase just on spot. But if you are set to be using leverage, maybe 2x, 3x, up to 10x, you are going to kind of maximize your profit. So that is it for Solana. Let's quickly take a look at the lower time frame. Let's see kind of some price action that we would be having on the lower time frame. As you can see that we kind of consolidated a bit. We did have a little bit of trend, just a minor trend. You can see that we kind of break back down the trend. And one thing about this type of price action is that it indicates a bearish movement more than a bullish movement. When price slowly starts creeping toward the upside, creating higher lows, then finally rejects back down, it indicates that maybe price is having another continuation to the downside. As we can see that we just slightly maintaining this level at around $154. Then if price fails to reclaim this level, going above towards this trend line, we could actually see a deviation back down. And when we see a deviation back down, we might actually want to catch this trade making a lower high. Then we could have maybe a little bit of short position on the lower time frame to actually catch this drop to the downside. But as you are trading leverage towards the downside, do make sure to accumulate your spot bags, because when the market rips, I think the market probably very soon the market is going to rip, so that you can actually catch this move just by slowly dollar costing or slowly buying these levels of support when price gets lower. So I personally think we could maintain this support line, slowly move to the upside, or we could break that back down, but price has not fully give a confirmation yet. I think when we slowly creep towards the upside, we could maybe see a break above this neckline, and when we see a break above this neckline, there is no doubt that the next target will be this little bit of resistance we're having here at around $184. So that is it for SOL price analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.